So guys, welcome to today's video and another install. Today we're installing headlights on Lucy's car. This is video number 4. So these are the headlights we're putting on. RGB. This is the stock headlight right here, driver's side. So we're ready to hook it out. Well, she took it out. I'm just there assisting. We're also changing this grill right here because if you notice, there's actually tape on it because Frank pulled the grill cover that was on here when she got the car. There's a grill cover and Frank pulled it off, and then he never removed the tape. And this tape is a hassle to remove now, so we're just gonna take that off. And then while we're at it, we're probably gonna install these carbon fiber fog light trims. So might as well just do that all at once. So yeah, let's get into the video. As you can see, already pulled one side off. So let's put the headlight in and stuff, and you're gonna see the whole thing. Easy to lose those.
This is your first time working on cars.
First and last time. Can you do it first? I'll do the other side. Si no me enseña, ¿cómo yo voy a saber?
You gotta hold it in here.
Yeah,
my nails, they hurt.
No, put your finger here and then pull it up.
I don't want to break it. ¿Y aquí abajo?
You're good. Mad quick. Right here.
Oh, shooter.
Now right here. You're going mad quick, bro. There's one more in the front, though. It's kind of hard to get. You gotta like line it up.
All the way over there?
Yeah. Is it fit?
I don't know.
Yeah.
See, I'm a pro. I knew about all this. I just didn't want to say anything.
Sure. Damn. Hey, you can stop drilling once you cut it loose. It's out, yeah. This corner.
Video if you want.
Pick it up.
Hello. Hi guys. We are fixing a car right now. Hey, yo. We're good. Vamos a ser famous ahorita.
Okay, so she went inside to do something. So while she's inside, I'm gonna get started on getting the grill off, just to get it started, because I'm gonna have to take the screws off that and put them onto the new grill over there. So let me get started on that. And then we put the headlight in. So this goes under here. I gotta lift this. And that's it. You lift the headlight as much as you can. I just lift the light out, lift this. So lift that out. Good. Have to give it to you.
I'm with your boyfriend's sister. Frank.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Hi. What are you doing now? Cleaning? Oh.
Go shower again.
FaceTime me. You don't do my Gmail? Oh my God.
Oh, that's on my phone, no? It's fine.
And then, let me see. Yeah, push that in the bottom.
Bottom.
Pretty on.
It's in.
It's not fully in, but it's alright. We'll push the rest in later. The corners, we gotta line up. Let's see. Guys, this trim is not easy to take out. But we got it out. I think I broke it. No, I didn't. This is not easy. It's okay because we have the new ones. So just plop it in. Easier. Okay, so here is this carbon fiber trim on, the headlights on, the new grill on. Still got to put the carbon fiber trim on the other side. Obviously, I just took this one off, but we're gonna put the bumper back on. I still gotta put this grill piece in, it's not all the way in. I'll fix those. Maybe secure it. But pretty much done, so I'm just gonna button up the car and that's it. So the car is done in the front. We have the RGB headlights in, we have the fog lights, and the new grill. This grill looks way better than the stock grill. You already know I have the same exact grill as this one, and then Frank has the carbon fiber one, the full carbon fiber. Honestly, that's kind of mine. That grill is mine, the full carbon fiber, but we put on his car, because remember he had the carbon fiber bumper. Obviously the carbon bumper is not on now, but it's on his car still, so it don't matter. And then this car, we did the grill, obviously. This is my old Honda emblem. And then we did carbon fiber grills. The sun's not out, so the carbon fiber is not gonna shine as I like it to, but it's all right. And then we have the headlights. I'm still trying to learn the app, so sorry if it's loud. But this is the app, this is the headlights right here. So we have it on solid. to give her the app because I have the app on my phone, but I don't have it. She doesn't have it on her phone. It's a little windy out here. I'm still gonna try to figure out how to use this. Obviously, she's gonna figure out how to use this because I have no idea how to use this thing. You can put it on auto. This is automatic. You can put it on mode. So see if I can put it on solid color. So I'm gonna put solid color. Anyway, so that'll kind of be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, keep up with the video. We do have another video coming. Obviously, there's more stuff coming, like, you know, she's missing the body kit and all that stuff still. So hopefully we get all that in. So yeah, so if you guys did enjoy the video, again, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
First time working on cars.
First and last time. Oh, shooter. See, I'm a pro. I knew about all this. I just didn't want to say anything.
Sure.
We are fixing a car right now. Hey, yo. We're good.